For this example, we want to minimize the cost of the box. So the first thing we're going to do is draw a picture of the box. Okay. We're given that the base length is 4 times the width. So if I write all that information down, I can write this as for W, W, and H. I am also given that the top and the bottom cost $12 per square feet, and the sides cost $4 per square feet. I also know that the volume is 70, so the volume is going to be 4W times W times H, so base times height times width. So now I'm going to write a cost equation. To write a cost equation, I need to open the box and look at the surface area. So if we look at the surface area, this is going to be 4W, this is W, and then the sides are all H. You just need to be careful when you do the surface area, because usually when we were doing these, the sides always ended up being the same. In this case, they're not. This one's going to be 4WH, and then the sides are going to be WH. Okay, so when we look at our cost equation, we're going to have the top and the bottom. So remember that the top and the bottom cost $12, so we're going to have $12 times the top, which is 4WH, or 4W squared, the bottom, plus the top, 4W squared. So I'm going to have 8W squared times 12, which is going to give me 96. Okay, the sides cost $4, so it's going to be $4 times whatever their side length is. So it's going to be 2WH and 8WH. So I have a total of 10WH. So if I add them, I get 40WH. So there's my cost equation. So this is what I need to take the derivative of. But I have an H that I need to get rid of. So I'm going to solve for H for my volume. Substitute that into my cost. Simplify a little bit. And here's my cost equation. This is what I need to take the derivative of. So if I take the derivative, I'm going to have 192W minus 700W to the negative 2. Set it equal to 0. So you guys like to move it to the other side and cross multiply, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. So I get the width is going to be 1.909 feet. If you go back to read the problems, they want you to know the dimensions. So my dimensions is going to be the width, the base is 4 times the width, and the height is 70 divided by 4 times the width squared. So those are my dimensions, and now I need to find the cost. So I just substitute that into my equation. So my cost for this box is going to be $716.61.